Once upon a time, there was a young man working at a factory. His mentor, an experienced technician, taught him to speak less, do more, and continually develop his skills in every aspect of the factory's operations. After 10 years, the old technician retired, and the young man became a technician himself. He continued his work with the same dedication and diligence he had been taught. One day, he visited his former mentor, who noticed he seemed unhappy and asked what was wrong. The young man sighed and said, "I followed your advice exactly. I always stay focused on my work and keep quiet. I've done well at the factory and learned all the skills possible. But I don't understand why those with less experience or capability have been promoted while I remain in the same position as when I was your apprentice." The old man asked, "Are you sure you've become indispensable to the factory?" The young man nodded, "Yes." The old man thought for a moment and then said, "Request a day off for any reason you like. It's time for you to take a break." The young man was surprised by this advice but soon saw its logic. He thanked his mentor and quickly requested time off. When he returned to work, the manager called him in and explained that many issues had arisen in his absence. Problems that he would normally handle had been mishandled by others. Recognizing his value, the manager promoted him to senior technician to reward him and encourage his continued good work. The young man was grateful for his mentor's wisdom and believed he had discovered the key to success. From then on, whenever he felt undervalued, he would take a day off. When he returned, the situation would improve to his satisfaction. This pattern continued for months, until one day he was blocked from entering the factory and discovered his employment had been terminated. Shocked and uncertain, he sought out his mentor to understand what went wrong. "Why did I lose my job?" he asked. Feeling hurt, "Did I not follow your advice?" The old man replied, "Actually, you missed part of the lesson. You understood that no one notices a light bulb that is always on. It's only when it goes off that people realize they've taken it for granted. But you were so eager to use this understanding that you left before learning the second half." The young man began to realize his mistake. "What's the second half?" The mentor explained. "The second half, more important than the first, is that if a light bulb goes off too often, it will eventually be replaced with a more reliable one. No one wants a light bulb that cannot be counted on to provide consistent light." The young man understood now that by taking too many days off, he had become unreliable. His mentor's lesson was about balance, not constant absence. That's it for today. You should watch this video and subscribe to learn more. Bye.